Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 27th of October 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you from the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, you can see what is happening in Okigwe, Umuloro, Arondizuogu, and all those Aziks. You can see what is happening. When Gento was physically present there, people were castigating. They were doing a lot of propaganda, saying that it is Gento the Yahoo that is buying people, that is buying his brothers, that is destroying his village, that is doing all sorts of things, all manner of things, that they are accusing Gento the Yahoo and his boys, that they are the ones doing it. But since Gento the Yahoo is no longer like a physically seen right there in Arondizuogu, Okigwe, and all those Aziz, you can now hear from the people of Okigwe. They are not crying. They are not calling on the government of Imo State to come to their help, because the Ebubeagu people, the Asari boys, and all these names that this guy is mentioning here, they have buy a lot of their brothers. They have buy a lot of their brothers. They are doing all manner of things that is making the people of Okigwe to be on their knees crying, saying, had we known, we would have not sabotaged Gento the Yahoo and the rest of his gangs, because the breeze has now opened the fowl of the cock. They have now known that it is not Gento the Yahoo that is their problem, but rather those that are called to protect them are the ones that are buying them and doing all manner of things. Guys, just listen to this young man and hear exactly what he said concerning what is going on right there in Obinititi in Okigwe since Gento left that place, or went into, or since Gento has not been seen. You can see what is happening right there. Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello, Cosmas. Hello, ndị Ebubeagu. Hello, ndị DSS. Hello, ndị Army. Hello, ndị Tiger Base. Hello, Chijabalị. M ga-ehi ụlọ m. Ụlọ nna m ji ego nrọ ntuo n'ime ọhịa m ga-ehi. Chijabalị m ga-ehi ụlọ nna m ji ego nrọ ntuo n'ime ọhịa m ga-ehi. Ntuo n'ime ọhịa m na-ehi. Ka ha mere eji m anya mmiri na-ekwu okwu a. Ka ha mere anya mmiri ka m ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa Monday 27 of October. Monday 27 of October ka m kwugo okwu a. Anya mmiri ejula agba ọbụ anya. 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 Lekwe ha ozu tụgbọcha n'ala agba ọbụ. Ka eze Cosmas na ndị otu egburu. Lekwe anya mmiri ejula agba ọbụ anya. Anya mmiri ejula agba ọbụ anya. Lekwe Uchenna Okeke. Lekwe ndị kpọbatara n'Obiletiti. Lekwe aka ọrụ ha. Lekwe ha na-eme ụmụnne gị. Obiọma na-akpa gị. Uchenna Okeke, lekwe ha na-eme ụmụnne gị. Obiọma na-akpa gị. Lekwe ha na-eme ụmụnne gị. Obiọma na-akpa gị. Ịbata n'ahịa, ị gara ahụzi n'ahịa wụ ozu. Ị gara ahụ n'ahịa wụ ozu. Ozu ụmụnne gị. Ozu ụmụnne gị. Ụmụnne gị o. Uchenna Okeke, ụmụnne gị. Ozu ụmụnne gị. Ka ozu Ichie vegetable. Ele ha mere unu. Anyị mere gịnị? Lekwe ka for evidence. Lekwe for evidence. Lekwe jụọ unu na-ahụ ya. Ka bullet ha gbara agba. Lekwe jụọ ha bullet ha gbajuru agba. Ka njikwe ka unu na-ahụkwa. Eze Cosmas, lekwe ha ndị kpọbatara n'Obiletiti ka ha bịa gbuishi ụmụnne gị. Egbuishi ụmụnne gị naanị ga-anọrọ. Egbuishi ụmụnne gị naanị ga-anọrọ. Lekwe ka jụcha bullet. Lekwe bullet. Ha jụcha bullet. Chijie ụmụnne gị ga-anọ n'ụlọ ga-ehi n'ụlọ ha n'ụlọ nna m jikwa ego nrọ m ga-ehi n'ụlọ m chije metue n'ime ọhịa m na-alakpu.
We are going on a peaceful protest to a car bubble for the people of Abobu. We are tired of keeping silent while our children are dying, while our youths are dying, while hunger is killing our parents. We are tired of keeping silent. We have come out in mass to call on the world. We have come out in mass to call on the federal government of Nigeria. We have come out in mass to call on the local government of Okigwe. We have come out in mass to call on Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State. Our honorable governor, please come to our rescue. We are dying. Uchenna Okeke and Ebubeagu have choose to kill our people for no reason, have choose to shut down our market for months. Our parents are no longer eating. Our parents are no longer farming. What have we done? Zoomers, as a coastman, have we done anything wrong for selling our lands to you? Why have you chose to kill us all? Why have you chose to kill us all? Why have you chose to kill us all? Come to our rescue. Arondizuogu and their stakeholders, come and vacate Uchenna Okeke and Ebubeagu from Obinetiti. We need them. We don't need them no more. They are doing us much harm. They are doing us much harm. Please, come and vacate these people. Come and vacate these people. They are killing our youths. Please, we are calling on the federal government of Nigeria. We are calling on the governor of Imo State.
See, Hope Uzodinma is a very wicked governor. Let me tell you. They want to kill us just like this. The whole youth have wiped out. Many youth have died. See, you see that body every here and here. They are smelling here and here. Hope Uzodinma has killed us.
Yes,
please,
they are killing us all. Ndejeze is where they keep their corpse. After they kill, they dump them in Ndejeze. Please, come to our rescue.
So, Biafrans, these are the forest guards of Enugu State. You know, Enugu has been a major place where this Fulani herdsmen has disturbed a lot in southeast in Biafra land. So, the government of Enugu State formed these security forest guards. I think they are doing their works. I think all these things that is happening in Enugu has kind of reduced, although it has not reduced more.
This is Enugu State Special Squad Forest Guard in conjunction with the Joint Task Force comprising Neighborhood Watch Forest Guard in Agamede. Yes. Yeah, good to go, all good to go. Agamede. Okigwe and Okigwe leading to Benue State, Odoko, Chama. So, Uzawa, Okpoku Agamede, and Okpoku leading to Benue, called Adega. This I can hear back. From Agorafi to Udelibe. Okay. Or in Agamede. Okay. This is the local government area of Enugu State. Thank you very much. By the end of this today bush combing, we are going to come out with a very nice result.
So guys, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went to court today. You know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wanted to defend himself. Why he mentioned up to 32 or 22 witness names that he's going to call. But coming to court today, it was a total different thing. Today being 27th October 2025, it was a totally different thing. Martin Nankalus dropped all those defense for himself. He said that he's not going to defend anything because he has went through all his files and found out that they have not even convinced him of anything. So because of that, all the charges against him, no evidence has proven the government right on what they are charging him for. So because of that, he said that he is not defending anything, that there is no charge against him, that the court should free him, that he should and let him go, so just. And he even called one of the agencies of news in Nigeria, how they are carrying propaganda against him. Just listen to Martin Nandkala and hear what he said concerning today's court and things that has been going on within his trial,
Where's the lying news agency of Nigeria? Are they here? Those liars and deceivers, are they here? That distort the news. You don't know what law is. You don't know what justice is. Where's the news agency of Nigeria? What are they? You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that? That God in heaven is a God of justice. You don't know that?
Guys, the people of Okigwe, Arondizuogu, they are now back to work. They are doing things to make sure that they turn their village into a very lively place again, because December is fast approaching and many people are ready to come back home to celebrate the Christmas in their village. We pray that this peace will last forever in Biafran land. Amen.
Oh, what? Yeah, now I know on Monday, 27 or 28th of October. I know I was here since. Yeah, I buy a taboo. Million hour sink your does. I'm gonna walk out and I give the back was so we started. Now, this is a 51. And I went back, come look at the deep of this place. Yamuta, I go to a juna. Goes to a juna. Yeah, the 50 trip and aga. And the 50 trip and haga. The 4th trip, Mrs. Sorry. Yeah, would I know? I'm with an habia. I was at here the 4th one. Yeah, go have on a webaha, mutaha, tare. It goes to a juju. Go for how deep this in the upon the about how many trip of I don't know about it here. But thank God, by grace of God, I get with it because as I want to do next Monday, we come out again for it. And when I ask, I want to go into this side and this all about the most place now. I will go broken and make this place because I will go back to Kaba. I do it on a minute. I will miso. I don't make too much. So miso all the time after some days, motor go in or sink it down. So kaya to ha this na ati ha ba cha to chiba ni so that ko do motor ebe motor gbazi odo ana ati to the level ana ho na men to chai guys we am on the ozim guys te ba ha te ba ha because the motor have to go to under one too I mechi mo be no ne ba na have to do this person ka I have to go on that one now. We feel this place. I feel this place. Then I want to go. I want to be. I be mazi. Can you do that? Let mas can you do that? Then I must on a place. If I be the one. That one. Oh, I have one back at school Zion. And kai Kaipelisi could see and then a guru. And I go on about the go level. This place at the go level. And then Unana, ndị bụ na-eje anyị ahụ anyị ata isi ba bụrụ je na moto je dọwe na moto because the moto gị ibe agaghị abata nwunye inside school biko na-ebu nke agha anyị kwetụrụ kasị ibe niile wee na-akwado na etike ka anyị gbuchie meziri ebe ebe ọ na-ebe arụzi useful. So we have to destroy it and use it for another better and another good work for under Amazon. So now back I see aga. I na moto. I na ga do to this place aga moto but oja happen. And that's I feed here everywhere. Here I won it I we war here. So that's why we decided to I never now where na moto cap on Woodbury 51 and I take one neighbor I don't want to but the motor cannot cross here. All the feed did because Bianca, I could Kamota Junation because Kamota Jewish because Biana of Weber with any head fan and doesn't because of Weber. I could that's all those buckets. I got no football because with the Tony I could no football with Kamota because the driver because I could tell you I would do it because Biana.
Yeah, my man. I'm a
Biana ka agbolugo ka ipojo mota nju eju na mota o each trip wo o tenke because Biana ka to all the small ones I would do I got water here because Biana
akeja agbapụrụ nnadi
mbara
maka ma o benu nna amine onneke
Biano because Biano one because onye betụtara nwa ya tụtụ nwa tụtụrụ so ejebe now we are the last trip ka na ajo ka ime because you know I go everybody this after 10 or 11 bro I go because I think the distance I got too much I na ga eje egbe na do too much no Sinike
Izog mmaman Maazị niile biko anọ ọrụ na ndị awa as a whole na ọrụ na express si aka ọkwa tru ndị Izog pụọ Okigwe ụnanya anọ ọrụ left and right bidoro na junction ebe a Korea na agbago ha ga-asụgide ruo ndị ụkwụ junction aka anyị aka ekpe anyị sị ka eme ka Izog zugbe nwa ya jelekwa ya na aga ha sị ka apụta n'igwe nye aka asụghesi ebe niile yes ka ị na-agagodo n'iro ojo ya na-atụ ọhịa bịa kpuchicha main road anyị ọ bụ cover everywhere mana unu neche ebe asị kpuchachara ya ụzọ egherego alisi ị nagodo aga be nna gị ojo ya atụzi gị ịma na enweghị ihe na-atụ ụjọ ma ihe na-aya mmadụ kwụrụ yes so biko asụ ya na-agbago onye anya ga ọ dị ka nko si jie ka ube ka nkwachi ka izu nkwọ onye kwu ka a na-eme ndị awa mara ekwe zugbe ndị nne nọ n'ụlọ pụta soro ọrụ na-aga taa Monday 27th October 2025 yes yes abụ mmiri abụ mmiri abụ ihe a na-ata ya wụ ụmụ okorobịa arụcha ọrụ ewere hụ ihe eji akpọta obi ka o wee dịkwana ka nwoke na nwaanyị odina
unu n'anya na mgbago ọrụ na-aga
aka anyị aka ekpe yes
so ka ọ dị mma ka anyị na-eme ọ bụghị ka anyị otu aba anyị dị anyị mma
yes
ọ dịghị anyị mma atọ
yes
ọhịa anyị ji wee sịkwa na mba onye ọbụla pụtasịa enweghị ike na-eme ka ọ na
onye ga na-aga n'express egwu ejide gị ọhịa ekpuchichi iro learn the distance from road
to
a na-alụrụ
Nwa ebe ya wepụtakwa okpuchie fina ka a ka na-enweta ebe ha ọ na kolota ka dị ya ọ na kolota adịghị ya o ruchiene ya mụọ otu o si wee dị.
Yes. aka na sụrụ na-abịa ndị asụbeghị onye na-abịa ọtụrụ na-agbago esiude ruo ndị ụkwụ bus stop anyị emechie for the day enwekwa ebe ọzọ dị mkpa anyị akpatụ aka izu ọzọ amakwa ekwe apụta ka a sụwocha be anyị ka ọ dị ka nwoke na nwaanyị odina Ademe.
Nnepụ anya ha ọ na-ahụ na mensin. So ọ bụghị onye rụcha na onye rụcha okelukwa.
Mara akarukwu. Bata onwe ndị na-arụcha arụ asụkwa ha.
Ike ahụ bụ onye ga-ahụzi. Mana onye rụcha ọ nọrụkwa kerukwa ọzọ na-emove to make sure na anyị nwetara our target.
Yes. Ụnụ ahụgo ọ ndị awa nọ n'ọgbọ ha ndị awa n'ọrụ ha nụnụ ndị awa n'ọrụ aka anyị aka ekpe
Ọ na-aga
ọka ndị izu ọgụ na ndị awa n'ọrụ taa na-ekuchisi
biko ha na-abịa
anyị na obere ha ya ruo Redeem Church from Redeem ya pụọ bus stop ndewonu.
You can see that Cross Steve has once again called out Musa. In fact, because of Musa has been dropped, he's no longer army defense, He is no longer there to serve as an army boss. So Cross Steve here mocked him, and he also used that language that serve Nigeria and come back in shame, something like that. So he is also advising people to be sure of what they are doing when they think that they are doing the right thing with the government of Nigeria. So listen to him and hear what he said.
All right, good morning to all Biafrans. How you guys doing? Trust you guys enjoyed your weekend, yeah? All right, I saw this news that General Christopher Musa has been sacked, from being the CDS, the Chief of Army Staff of Nigeria. I told Christopher Musa this, that he's a very intelligent man, no doubt. He's very smart and, he is indeed a very interesting man to be around. When you watch his composure of, speech, when he's talking to people, when he's addressing the public, he's very smart. He's a very smart guy. But let me tell you the truth. I told you this and you persisted in not wanting to listen to us because you feel that we are social media errats. Yes, I know that's what you think. But the truth remains that there is no honor among thieves. Tinubu is a criminal, a thief, a drug lord. That guy is ruthless, and I'm telling you the truth. He's a ruthless politician, and we have seen what he has done in the southeast and currently doing to the whole Nigeria, paying deaf ear to every insurgent and every complaint of the citizens of Nigeria. And this is why we kept on shouting, calling that Tinubu is a known criminal. Do not associate yourself with Tinubu. Tinubu will make a mess of you. After using you, he will dump you. And today, the reality is staying on your face. And this goes to all our brothers and sisters who is sabotaging the struggle, the freedom of this Biafran movement. All of you. Now, I'm very sure that after using Bianco Low, that Tinubu will throw her away, because when his time expires, he's going to dust all these people away. Now look at what's happened. A whole Christopher Musa that is always calling Finland, always at the National Assembly, addressing the word of what Simon Ekpa is doing. They used you, and now they have dumped you. You can see it now. Simon Ekpa still remains relevant to the heart of Biafrans. But you are no more relevant because, number one, you started the insecurity in the southeast. Number two, you rolled all your military to the southeast to unalive the Biafran citizens. Today, it is your turn. And I'm telling you, all of you that thinks that because you are trying to impress your paymasters, that you are going to succeed with Biafran name, you are going to always go down the drain. And for the new chief of army staff, is it the CDS, Olafemi Oluwode, if you bring your army to the southeast, I'm telling you, you will go down the drain as well, the way Christopher Musa went. If you fight Biafrans or unalive any Biafrans, my brother, you're not going to find it funny with us. We have dragged Musa until he is no more. Today, Tinubu has fired him. Olufemi Oluwode, please, I am not begging you, but I'm telling you, remove all your terrorist army. In fact, let's assume that you just assumed office. Let's just believe that you don't know what is happening. Tell all your military to leave Biafran land. Biafra is now a sovereign nation, and those soldiers are standing on a sovereign soil. So tell them to back the hell off from our land. The ones that Soludo brought, tell them to back away, so that we will not have any conflict, so that you can, protect Nigeria in peace. Olufemi Oluwode, if that is your name, please, we are begging you, remove all Nigerian terrorist army from Biafran land. Again, Biafrans, I want you all to understand that this thing is turn by turn. Anybody where you reach in turn, you go collect. Secondly, the case of Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our supreme leader, will completely dissolve Nigeria and destroy Nigeria. This evil that the DSSS, you are using DSSS to do to our leader, is going to destroy Nigeria. And the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will soon, it will soon manifest. The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is coming. So do not listen to anybody telling you Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was supposed to spend 20 years in detention. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is this and that. Do not listen to them. These people were paid by the Nigerian government to come and demoralize your spirit, to come and put fear in us to leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can see, when they tell you 20 years, you just think of it and like, oh, you'll be paralyzed, demoralized, and what then do? You just give up and say, well, that one nahin sabi. That is what they are trying to put in us. I told you these guys were not genuine. I told you that they are not genuine. But let me tell you one thing again about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That guy was sent from God to deliver Ndi Igbo. But the stupid thing about it is that Igbo people are not smart to utilize the opportunity that they have. That is the simple truth. That is the simple truth. All of you that support evil, that supported evil, now turn by turn. It is Ogenkere yesterday. Now today is Adadi Orama. You will soon get tired and they will kick you out. There is a time you will stay. The whole thing, the money, everything that they are giving you will get expired and you will be discarded. That is how Nigeria works. Christopher Musa, we told you, go and serve Nigeria and come back in shame. Are you not ashamed of yourself today? Can you travel to the international communities now? Can you go to Canada? Can you go to United States of America? Tinubu has rubbished you and dumped you. Are you not seeing it? When we told you people that Tinubu is a ruthless politician, you think we are joking. He's a drug lord. You think we are kidding. A man that cannot travel to the United States of America. Again, I'm hearing the rumors that Omotosho has resigned. That rumor might be true. I don't know until today, which is 27th day of October. When our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu surfaces in court, then we will know the next thing. If that is true, it might be, number one, that is scared because America will ban him for, involving himself in illegality, because nobody in Nigeria is going to try Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Knowing the fact of how he was brought back to Nigeria, that fact alone, that you extraordinary rendition the man, or rather went to a country and kidnapped a man and extraordinary rendition him, have destroyed your legal battle with him. That is the truth. So again, the second one might be that the international lawyer, according to how the judges, according to how it was stated in the statement, called him and told him, this case that you are trying to go into will destroy your reputation, because no honor among thieves. If you finish serving Nigeria, you will come back in shame, because all of them are very shameless politicians. Tinubu is a very shameless man. Wike is a very shameless man. What is his name? The former attorney of Federation, Abubakar Malami, is a very shameless man. Shameless. All of them are very shameless. And I know that they can never come to that court. The only man that they fear in Nigeria now is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, who has destroyed Nigeria with the simple truth. And that is why we are here. That is what we, Biafran, the genuine Biafrans, are doing. So, on this note, Tinubu, one thing I'll have to tell you is this. The refusal of releasing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will actually destroy your political career. Destroy you, destroy your family, and destroy everything that you have in totality. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Today, Christopher Musa, you don't see him now. So wait till we talk, don't come to pass. You're a very intelligent man, very smart. But look at how they used you and dumped you. They will use you to climb. When it's time for you to climb to your next level of success, they will throw you away. They will discard you. That is how Nigeria works. People of one Nigeria, only one Nigeria. Christopher Musa, now your turn today. Biankolo, wait for your turn, because we will not accept you back in Biafran land for what you did to Simon Ekpa in Joko. But again, I want Amnesty International to arrest Christopher Musa. I want the ICC to call him for the genocide that happened in the Southeast. These are all our plea, because if these people continue to go scot-free, the next person, like this Olufemi Olewode or whatever his name is, will continue from where Christopher Musa stopped. So that there will be fear. He has finished serving. There is no immunity. So he's subject to arrest. He's subject to come and answer for the people that he unalived in Biafran land. And how he got Simon Ekpa where he is today. He's meant to come and speak. Thank you, Biafra. Biafrans, we will continue to hammer it on their head. These people, they don't deserve your respect. They don't deserve any good thing from Biafrans. Thank you, and may God bless you people. We'll wait until the court proceeding of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu.
Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe to us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to us, do so. We all love you. Let's keep fingers crossed. November 4th, 5th, and 6th is when the case of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was adjourned to. So let us wait and see what will happen. We pray that everything will go perfectly well. Let there be peace in Biafra land, in everything that we got to do. We all love you once more. Subscribe to us. Remember, bye.